Kunal, I'll come first to you. What are your high risk and low risk ideas for the viewers today?
So good morning, Cheryl. Good morning, everyone. The market volatility and the choppiness sort of continues, even though the Asian markets, handover was quite attractive and positive for the index. But we are not, able to sustain the gains on the, major indices. That's Nifty and Bank Nifty. In fact, Bank Nifty has turned negative. So I think on that backdrop, I would expect, that some sector-specific churns and some rotations would keep on continuing. So, I would suggest, with from a complete buy list. I would now change my stance slightly towards a mixed kind of a trade. So, in suggesting one buy and one sell in terms of a short-term trading outlook. First stock which I'm suggesting is about Sun Pharma. I think many of these pharma stocks have seen a revival in the last 1 week. Sun Pharma has also managed to cross back about that 600 mark. It has a huge resistance at the 625, 630 zone and has been unable to break past above it. But what's interesting for a chart for Sun Pharma is that for the last 3 months, the stock has been gyrating at this band of 580 to 625, 630. So I'm expecting that probably the time-wise correction could probably be over. And if the market gets into a bit of a volatility or a choppy mode, it's possible that many of these pharma stocks can pick up pace from current levels. So, buy on Sun Pharma, expecting a breakout pretty soon on the stock. Targets to be kept at approximately 630 levels, and stop loss could be kept at approximately 590. The second stock which I'm suggesting is a sell on SBI. Now, it's interesting because I think till the last month or so, many of these PSU banking stocks they were looking very very attractive. It had confirmed breakouts on multi-year time frame charts. But on the short-term charts, SBI has been unable to break past about the 50-day moving average. Now, almost a week back, the stock had broken below the 50-day moving average. From there on, it's been struggling to break past about this average. And every time you've seen the prices going into a marginal bit of a rally, it somehow takes resistances at the 50-day moving average and it tends to fall back lower. So I'm expecting that possibly one more round of correction could be due on the short-term charts for stock like SBI. Hence a sell. Very short-term oriented target of 350. Stop loss could be kept at 371.
All right, well, those are the ideas that Kunal has shared with you. Bear in mind, these are short-term trades that he is suggesting. Let's go across now to Ashish Maheshwari as well, who is joining us. Ashish, good morning to you. What do you have for us in terms of your high-risk and low-risk ideas?
Yeah, my high risk, my high risk idea is Tata Steel. In my view, you can buy this stock and after this current value also, and you are going to get very good returns. Again, the rationales are there's very good bullishness in the commodity cycle. Number one, and number two, steel prices. If you see the pattern in from December quarter to March quarter, there is almost an increase of 10% in steel prices. Besides this, now steel is not available on the shelf kind of thing. So you need to be in queue to get your steel requirement. So what I gather from the market, there's waiting for 2 to 3 months if you are looking for CR steel or any specialized steel. So in view of this, I am expecting this quarter is going to be one of the best quarter in the history of Tata Steel. Last quarter they did profit of 3,920 crore. And I'm expecting this quarter they are going to report more than 4,500 crore profit. It's a 1,700 crore loss, which was in March 2020. So this is the reason we are seeing a very big bull run in all steel stocks, and Tata Steel is going to lead that rally. So my target for the stock is 1,000 rupees in next 3 months, in fact. My low risk and low return idea is a small cap stock called Monte Carlo Fashions Limited. Uh, again, spectacular set of numbers in December where on a sale of 400 crores, 79 crore was their profit figure. So this year I'm expecting they will do almost 800 crore kind of top line and 135 crore kind of EBITDA, and the stock is just available at 2 times EV to EBITDA FY23 earnings. Company has done buybacks, given healthy dividends also in past, and in my view, same will continue because they are sitting a good amount of cash with them. So this is my low risk, low return idea with a price target of 275 to 300 in next 6 months.